Hi, in today's video, I'm going to share how you can install n8n application in your device. First, you have to open your Putty software. Then you have to write the host name or the IP address you're using. Click on the open button. Then you have to accept all the warnings. Then this interface will appear on your screen. You have to first give the login credentials. After that, you have to answer one question. It's that do you want to use the domain name? Yes or no. You have to choose between these two options. If you click on no, then it will directly start installing itself. Now the process has been started. Once it's done, you have to copy the IP address of the VPS and paste it on the web browser with the port number 5678. Once you are done with that, then it will redirect you to the n8n website where you have to set up your account. Then you have to give your email address, first name, last name, and you have to make a strong password. Then you have to click all the checkboxes and click on the next button. And with this, you have successfully installed your n8n application and you have created your account. See, it's that easy to install. I hope you find this video helpful.